listening to my gospel or whatever on a Sunday morning. I feel like I wear lip gloss like it's going out of style. Today is Sunday. It's raining right now outside. Why does my eye feel like it's running? Here, about to vlog my entire day. We're gonna go get some stuff at the store. I have to get my boyfriend a gift, and I'm gonna go get me some slides. I'm gonna show you guys everything, but yeah, so this is like my first stop whenever I start my day. Hi, can I have a medium ice cap?
One medium ice cap, anything else?
And a roast beef sandwich.
Roast beef?
Yeah.
Anything else?
And a small English breakfast triple.
Okay.
That's all. I don't know why I always order 2 beverages, so I will order a hot drink and a, what's it called? A cold drink. So like I'll drink the hot first, and then after I'm about to head to the store now. Definitely watch this video all the way to the ends. We got some cool stuff here. It's about to be a fun day for me, at least. I love shopping. This is our first stop. I like these, but they're just so basic. Is that the 41?
Yes, ma'am.
There you
Go.
I like that. Like super cute. He brought me options. Doing what I do best. I had a YouTube video, so I'm like vlogging for my channel.
Is it hard to type with your name?
No, I'm used to it. I do everything with them. I get asked that question all the time. Yep.
There you go.
Thank you so
Have a good day,
much.
bye.
Bye. So, I just left the Gucci store now. I'm at Louis.
We're gonna go upstairs then.
Okay. Thank you. Alrighty, so that's his gift. Oh, sis just got her license. First time she's driving my car too, y'all. Do not make it a habit.
It's the happiness too.
How you feeling?
I'm feeling like God has put so many blessings in my life. Everything is just flowing. School, work, license,
Everything.
everything.
Amen to that.
Feeling accomplished. That's like my big sister dude. Oh shit.
Hey.
That was my bad.
Okay. Don't get me scared, dude.
No. Honestly, Kelly, you've been an inspiration. Oh, I didn't even fix my mirror.
Oh, I appreciate that. And yeah, I have not slept.
Oh, me too.
And I brought this little child to go do her license. I would have been so pissed if you made me come all the way out here and you failed. On top of it, I ain't got no sleep.
Yo.
So yeah, I'm here about to get tested for COVID because I do need it to travel. I do need a negative test clearance for travel, so that's what we're doing. Well, yeah, Kayla.
number
December 21st, 95.
and phone number.
64.
Previous COVID test?
No, this is my first one.
Any symptoms?
Does that 3 to 5 days includes weekends?
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're going to tilt your head back just a little bit. Smoke goes in one nostril all the way back. Burning sensation, eyes turn to water, feels like chlorine up the nose.
Oh, God.
It's not the worst thing ever, but it's just uncomfortable and really annoying.
Okay.
Here we go. Once I'm all the way back there, I hold for 10 seconds. My chatting equals 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. There you go.
Is that
Oh,
normal?
I love your nails. Look at you,
One
bejeweled
broke.
and everything.
I know.
Oh my God. I could. How do you do
I
everything with
do
those
everything
things?
with them.
Are you serious?
Yeah. I do YouTube videos. So I do everything with them.
Come on.
Yeah.
They're gorgeous.
Sometimes I even have them longer than this. This is not the longest.
Are you kidding?
I'm serious.
Oh my God, I could never. I'm so horrible. I've had them only done a couple of times because they're very thin and short.
Yeah.
I did twice to have nails.
It was a mess.
And let me tell you, we're talking just like
A tip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was horrible with them. I had to rip them
Wow.
off.
You get used to them though after a while.
Do you?
Yeah.
It's like, they're gorgeous.
Thank you.
All right. How'd you find it?
It wasn't as bad, but it was bad.
It's still bad, but not as
Yeah,
horrible as
it
you
wasn't
think it's gonna be,
exactly.
right? All right. And you're all
Is that
done.
it?
That's
All
it.
right. Thank
You
you.
take care.
You too. Bye. Oh, that was bad. I'm sorry. My freaking nose. So, we're gonna go eat with my broke kids. Like literally. Let's say the grace.
Thank you, Lord Heavenly Father, for this food that is before us. We pray that it be to our bodies, Lord, and that you continue to provide it for us. And in Jesus' name we pray with thanksgiving. Amen. Amen. For real. Wait. Oh shit. Freaking YouTuber's back. This time. That was embarrassing. Are you not embarrassed? Are you not embarrassed? Yo, you swear this girl's Nigerian.
I am partially. I'm a Niger babe.
Oh, Niger, prove it.
Want these are cute. I have like those slides already. Yeah. Okay guys, I need these shoes.
Yeah, but like, you know what, like, we didn't.
So I'm thinking about getting these ones. There's the Burberries. I know I keep putting my drink down everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna go check and come back. So either between that, there was one that I wanted that was over here. No. So this one. I don't know. This one's $3.95. Which one's more classier? Okay, perfect. Nice. I'm going away tomorrow, so I'm like, I needed a shoe. Home. I am so exhausted, but I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna finish this vlog off. I'm leaving the country tomorrow, so I'm about to go pack. My legs are so smooth. I did go get a wax. I waxed everything. This vlog was basically just like another week in my life, and yeah, you know, I took you guys on that journey. Yeah, not serious, like I said. So comment down below if you guys do want more videos like these. It's always so fun vlogging, but it's like at the same time I do kind of get camera shy. Not really camera shy, but you know when you're in public and you don't want to really have your phone in your hand acting like you're recording. That's my issue. Like, I kind of like take pride in that. It's like, I hate when people are staring at me. It's like, okay, why is she recording everything? So that's like my only thing when it comes to like vlogging outside. If I'm like just vlogging in the house, that's no problem. But like to be doing this in public, it's weird. I'm still trying to get used to it. Yeah, I did hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna finish this off right here. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this vlog, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, thumbs up this video, all of that, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.